Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we will start from page 12, okay? Please write down page 12 if you don't write it. Okay, so today we will move to 1.1.2 and still function. Function, okay? Part 2. We still do the function, okay? Yeah, because there are a lot that we can talk about for the function. Okay, so first, now I would like to introduce a slope-intercept form. Okay, so first, slope intercept form. Okay, do you remember what's slope intercept form? That means y equal mx plus b. Okay, this is very, very important, so please box it. Please box it, okay? And now let's see. So m is the slope right now. M is the slope, okay? And b is the y-intercept. I believe you learned this before, right? Okay. Okay, so this is slope-intercept. Okay, so now there's a line. So example 1. Okay, so we need to find. So there is a line. A line equation is the following. Is y equal x plus 3. So today, now let's see. What should we do today? Okay, so first I want you to find out find independent and dependent variable. Okay, and 2, find domain and range. 3, I want you to sketch it. Okay, so there's 3 questions that we want to do. So now, what is the independent and variable? Okay, so now let's make a table. So make a table. 1, make a table. Okay, so now let's make a table. Use a ruler, okay, and make a table. X and Y here, okay. Now let's pick 2 groups or 3 groups. Okay, so now, ladies and gentlemen, so remember y yesterday we make it as f of x. Do you remember? So please use rate right here, f of x right here. Very, very use rate, okay? F of x. So that means, what does it mean by f of x? That means that's the value x here after everything, then we get f of x. So here we can also change it to f of x. Okay? So now we see x and f of x. Okay, so now we can pick any value for x, and there is a corresponding value to f of x. Right? So now, let's see. What is x? We can pick any number, okay? So when x equals 0, 1, 2, 3. Any number. Okay? So when x equals 0, what is f of x? When x equals 0, so 0 plus 3 will equal to 3, which is here. Okay, how about here? How about this one? When x equal to 1, when x equal to 1, 1 plus 3 equal to 4. So f of x equal 4. How about when x equal to 2? 2 plus 3 equal to 5. F of x equal to 5. So here. So now, ladies and gentlemen, as you see, we can pick any number here. So this is called independent variable. Independent variable. Okay, because it doesn't depend on anything, right? But as you see here, for f of x, it always depends on the value of x. So this is called dependent variable. So make sure you know the difference. One is independent, which is x, and this is called f of x is called dependent. So far so good. Please highlight it. Okay, so this is A, question A, and B. What is B? What is domain? Domain is all the value of is the set of independent variable. Independent variable. Okay, so what is domain? So domain is this. So domain in this case is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Have bracket. Okay. How about range? How about range? Range is the set of dependent variable. Dependent variable. Okay, so range is, what is the range? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. You get it? So now I want to highlight. What is domain? It's about independent variable. What's the range? Dependent variable. Okay, so now I want you make a line. Yeah, this is range. This is domain. Got it? Okay. And question 3, sketch it. Okay, now let's sketch it. Okay. So we already have a table here, and it can help to sketch. So that means we need the value of x 0, 1, 2, 3, and we need a y value 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and before we graph it, do you know what the graph should look like? It's a line. Okay, in the beginning, it's a line. It must be a line. So after we sketch, it must be a line. If it's not a line, then something wrong. Okay, so now let's make a line here. X. Okay, so how to make a line? So just like a number line, like your ruler, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we do the same thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we call this is x-axis. Okay? And now, how about y-axis? See, for x-axis is this direction, and the y-axis another direction, which is this. So far so good. This is y. Okay, and we still need to make a number like, so now see the ruler is like this, right? So we still need to make a number. Okay, so now let's write it. 0 is still here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, now the ruler like this, so now we need to make a line like this. Okay, the first point, what's the first point? When x equals 0, y equals to 3. When x equals 0, y equals to 3 is here. Okay, this is point A. Okay, let's say this is point A. How about point B? When x equal to 1, y equal to 4. When x 1, y equal to 4. Right? This is B. How about C? Point C. Let's say this is point C. Let's say this is point C, okay? Point A, point B, point C. Again, point A is 0, 3. Point B is 1, 4. Point C is 2, 5. So where is 2, 5? When x equal to, y equal to 5. Okay, so now let's connect the line. Okay, so this line, let's write down, is equal y equal x plus 3. Get it? So this is line. Okay, so this is question 1. Okay. Okay, now let's move to the next page. What's the page number? So this should be page 13. Page 13. Okay, we continue. Example 2. Example 2. Okay, now this line function is y equal to x plus 3. And do you remember in the beginning of today's lesson, we just changed this to f of x. Okay? It become function, and now become the right side still the same, y plus x plus 3. Okay, so again, this is the only thing we change. Please highlight. Yeah, this is called function. So that's why we say f of x, f function. So now, question A. Calculate f of 4. What does it mean by f of 4? Oh, that means, see, do you see x here? Do you see? Do you feel that they are similar, f of x? So now means substitute x with 4. Okay, so that means substitute x as 4. You got it? So now calculate f of x. X is equal 4. So x is equal 4. So f4. What does it mean by f4? f4 compared to here equal 4 plus 3, so equal to 7. You get it? Okay, how about question B? Calculate f of 7. So again, notice the position of here. So that means we substitute x as 7. Okay? Substitute x as 7. Okay? So f of 7. So now x is equal to 7, right? So f7, 7 here. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay, so far so good. Question C. Solve f of x equal to 8. Oh, this question is a little different, but still similar. Okay, so what is f of x? In the beginning, f of x equal to x plus 3, right? F of x equal to x plus 3. So here, x plus 3. You get it? Do you see? F of x equal to x plus 3 equal to 8. What is x? So we minus 3 on both sides. Minus 3 on both sides. Make a reverse. So x will equal to 5. Box answer.